Are you ready to create an amazing online store that drives sales and delights your customers? Today we're diving into on how to design a big commerce store that sells. Whether you're selling handcraft maids, tech gadgets, or fashion items, this guide will help you create a store that stands out and converts visitors into buyers. From choosing the right theme and customizing your storefront to optimizing for the user experience and mobile shopping, will cover it all for you. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's get started. Now, basically, the first step on how you can go ahead and make your store here on BigCommerce is you want to choose the right BigCommerce plan. Now, if we navigate through their official store right here, unfortunately, there is no direct way on how you can go ahead and review the pricing. You can just go ahead and click on request pricing and they will basically send an email if you have requested them the pricing email. Now, I'm just going to tell you their standard plan, the plus plan, and the pro plan. For the standard plan, it is going to be $30 a month. It is perfect for startup and small businesses. For the plus plan, it is going to be $80 per month. It's ideal for growing businesses with advanced marketing features. And lastly, the pro plan, it is going to be $300. It is best for high volume sellers needing advanced feature and reports. Now, each plan includes unlimited products, bandwidths, and staff accounts. You can choose the plan that fits your business size and future goals. And basically, right after choosing your plan, you want to go ahead and select a right theme for your store. Now, we basically have free themes inside the BigCommerce. You have premium themes and more. Now, to do that, you simply want to head over to your store dashboard, and from here we can then go ahead and see the side panel. Inside, you simply want to click on Storefront, and from here you then want to click on the theme marketplace. Inside, we can then go ahead and choose multiple themes on our store that we can go ahead and apply. Once again, there are premium themes right here that you can use, and there's also a free plans that you can go ahead and use. You can do that by clicking on free or paid right here. And of course, right after choosing the right theme for your store, you want to go ahead and customize your storefront. Now it's time to make your store uniquely yours. BigCommerce Page Builder is a drag and drop tool that makes customization easy even for beginners. Now you simply want to add your logo. You can upload your logo to establish the brand identity. You want to choose the color and fonts. Match this to your brands for a cohesive look. You want to customize the navigation. Create a bar for intuitive menus to help customers find products easily, like what I've made right here. This is my store name, and I have the categories for the shop: all, bats, garden, kitchen, publications, and more. And lastly, you want to customize the homepage design. Highlight the best sellers, promotions, or even new arrivals to grab the attention immediately of your customers. If you have a coding experience, you can dive into the themes files for advanced customization. Don't worry if you're not a coder, BigCommerce provides extensive guides and support to help you. Now from here, you simply want to go ahead and drag and drop menus, or you want to drag and drop this page builder right here if you wish to. Now let's go ahead and say that we want to add a hero banner. It's as simple as dragging and dropping it into our homepage right here. And as you can go ahead and see, it will immediately apply that design into our website. From here, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. And from there, you should be good to go. You don't want to forget to save your designs, so you want to click on the publish buttons. Now, you want to add and organize your products. Add products details. You want to include high quality images, compelling descriptions, and clear pricing. And you simply want to go ahead and organize categories. You want to group your products into categories like men's clothing, accessories, or electronics, or as what I've did on my store right here. I have bath, garden, kitchen, and more. And you also want to set up your product options. Use the BigCommerce tool to add variations like the size for your products, color, or material. Now, pro tip, you want to write an SEO friendly product description to improve the visibility in your search engine. So when someone go ahead and search like canvas laundry card on Google, your page will go ahead and likely pop up on their search engine. And so let's go ahead and talk about on how you can optimize the user experience. Now, fast loading times. BigCommerce hosts your stores on secure, fast servers but optimize your images and code for extra speed. You also want to implement the call to action. It is the CTA button. Use phrases like add to cart or buy now prominently on the products pages. You want to optimize your store for mobile users. Now, the first step in doing so is by heading over to your page builder right here. And once inside, you simply want to click on the mobile logo. We also have a tablet preview right here if you want to do so. Once inside, you can then go ahead and edit your page once again for optimizing them through these devices. Let's just go ahead and say that you want to add some products. Now you can do that by simply dragging and dropping those products right here, and right after they will be available for you to edit. Now you can do this for a lot of layouts like your text, images, hero banner, carousel video, and more. And for other devices, you simply want to click on the tablet preview, and from here you can just go ahead and keep editing your website in order to be optimized in these devices right here. You want to test your store on different devices, ensuring seamless shopping experience for mobile users. You also want to go ahead and use the easy checkout process. BigCommerce offers a streamlined one-page checkout to reduce cart abandonment rates. You also want to use the easy checkout process. BigCommerce offers a streamlined one-page checkout to reduce cart abandonment rates. And from there, let's talk about integrating marketing tools. Marketing is key to driving traffic and sales. BigCommerce make it easy to integrate tools like the email marketing. You want to use platform like MailChimp or Klaviyo to send target campaigns. And you also want to integrate social media into your store. You want to add social media sharing buttons and integrate with Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest for production promotion. From there, you want to include SEO features, optimized meta files description, and URLs for better search engine rankings. And lastly, you want to add the abandonment cart recovery. BigCommerce Plus and Pro Plus plans include this feature to recover lost sales by sending reminders to customers who leaves item into their cart. And so guys, as a conclusion, designing a big commerce store that sells doesn't have to be complicated. By choosing the right plan, selecting the perfect team, customizing your storefront, and optimizing for user experience, you're well on your way to creating a store that not only looks great, but also drive sales. Have you used BigCommerce for your store, or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.